JT got him out. Got the other one out too.
Holy shit. You
That
ain't your
one.
mother sucker, man.
And that one.
Oh, that's what's up. Hey, you remember, do that oil dipstick need to go on before the manifold go on first? Because I remember I took the oil dipstick out the way.
No, that goes on after.
Oh, you can put it on after. Oh, damn. What's your secret? What you do? You tack weld
Kept
in?
trying. Well, you have to keep it on there long enough to let it burn and let it penetrate. And also that helps loosen the threads because metal expands when it gets hot.
Wow.
Then just slowly turn it out. I mean, once you get a full turn on it, you're pretty much set after that. So it's just smooth sailing. Just hope, you know, the last person did it doesn't cross thread it.
Well, I don't think it's ever been done.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was done too, but it started turning and it came right out.
So what that one number here, why we couldn't save it? Or
I didn't do it.
No. So it matters. I mean, what I'm saying, what some, okay, Joseph is cross-threaded.
Joseph was cross.
Yeah, if it's cross-threaded, it's going to be hard to get. It's going to be hard to.
I think theirs broke parts too.
But we had to put the head in that one.
Yeah, but y'all have to put a head in this one. Barely on there. That one's probably hot still.
Look at this. Oh, that's the other one on the other side.
Yeah.
So all it takes is a little juice.
Yep.
It's like soldering, but solder don't hold.
No, this is much stronger.
Yeah, oh hell yeah.
I always go with MIG welder. And since it's aluminum head, you don't have to worry about welding to the head either. Because MIG doesn't stick to aluminum.
That's what's up. Hey, yeah, I want y'all to check this out. It's new tool in action. Sometimes most of our cars are single piston calipers, but this is a 1500 by the way. It happens to have a dual piston setup. So it's a funky way.
Trying to retract it. There you go.
It's ratcheting style. Look at that. Y'all see that?
Watch closely.
The ease. Explain what you're doing, man.
I'm compressing the caliper pistons, and since it's a dual piston setup, I have to have this special tool to compress them both at the same time. A lot of guys use channel locks. You're not supposed to. So I bought this tool and made life a hell of a lot easier ever since. Just keep ratcheting. It's like a normal ratchet, you know, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And once it's bottomed out, you go ahead and flip this lever, then you loosen it.
What was we doing before this was invented?
Channel locks.
Pushing them in one by one.
Yeah, one by one, or get a single piston caliper compressor and just do them one by one. But that one, you know, it decreases the time by 50%.
And that's what matters in this business, guys. Time efficiency, very important. Hey, my buddy doing a brake job, y'all. Typical brake job. Y'all know what I learned? Oh, looked like he put on some tensioner struts too, guys. These are easy to check. They can cause some serious noise in your front suspension if you don't get it done. Look at this. When this guy resurfaced rotor, they feel just like they fresh out of the box, brand new. All right, typical brake job, guys. Nothing to run home with. In fact, when I do them on the side, I typically replace the rotors. Okay, for one reason, I don't have access to a brake lathe machine. So, and they dirt cheap, guys. So it's up to you however you want to deal with it. That way I can keep the price down, or if I get with rotor, I can keep the risk down. Okay, because how risky is a brake job if you're replacing the rotors and the pads? Okay, yeah, you're gonna lube all your pins up. See this guy, he lube up everything. Yeah, so I don't know if you're doing the rear or not. Might not need rear. All right, guys. Let me go finish my used car tour. I saw a dually. Yeah, this dually over. Who traded a dually in? What did they get? A newer dually? Yeah, it's a Ram. 3500. God, this sucker still nice. Holy crap. That's what I like to see. Tells me everything I need to know. Oh, it's a 2016 model, guys. 2016 Ram 3500 Crew Black. So some construction guy took care of this one, guys. I don't know, y'all. Who out there in the market for a dually turbo diesel? I don't know. It seems like more action going on over here, guys. Let's go back over here. Ooh, that ain't gonna work. Must trying to pull it out.